Hey everyone! This video is gonna be kind of all over the place. We are within a week of going on our cruise. Super excited. This is one, ever since we did it, I have wanted to repeat. So I'm pretty dang excited about it. So I am just gonna kind of do this video as like a, hey, this is how I prep for a cruise, and let you guys follow along. Okay, so one of the things on my to-do list is to weed my garden. So like we're all dirty, and I'm gonna flip it around and show you boss, because I let him play in the dirt. Look, show us your hands. Show us how dirty you are. You dirty little boy. One of the, oh, Ava's helping too, but she doesn't look super dirty. Anyway, one of the things, like I said, I like to get the yard all done, and then I'm debating getting the photo pass. And so I want boss's hair to look super sharp. So even though it's not long at all, I kind of want to give like some definition. So I'm gonna do a quick little haircut, and then it's starting to like sprinkle, so I have to do this really fast. And then I let him like wash off out here, and then we go up to the shower. So that's one thing that I want to get done. It's on my to-do list this week. And I usually do Steve at the same time, but he's currently on a flight from Arizona to Tampa, and then he has to drive from Tampa here, so he's not anywhere close. All right, so we got boss all trimmed up. Sorry, I couldn't hold the camera and show you guys at the same time, but now I let him play out here for a second, and then I'll take him upstairs to shower, which I won't show you any of that. And then I have a couple of other things I want to show you just before I get to anything else. All right, we're back, we're showered. Don't mind Bluey on in the background. Boss is showered, he's playing, don't mind the mess. It's on my to-do list, okay? So this is something I've been pretty excited about. So I probably haven't mentioned this, but on the Magic, my big suitcase was damaged somewhere along the way. And so what I did is I messaged Disney. They just asked for some pictures and, you know, proof of purchase and this and that. And then they sent me a check to replace it. So I finally, I mean, that was in October and it is August now, ordered a replacement. So I'm pretty excited about it. It's like in this, yeah, in USA. I haven't even looked at it yet. Yeah, you can come help me. And what's interesting is I think they sent me a 3-piece set, which I only ordered the big one. So we'll see what this looks like when I pull it out. Ava, pull the box. Ooh! Oh, hold on. So I was wrong. It's not the 3-piece luggage set. It's just the one. So I thought I got lucky, but I did not. But that's okay. We only ordered the one, so we got what we wanted. I don't love the colors. Like, I thought it was pink. It looks like plum, actually. It says it's a wine color. Anyway, doesn't really matter. It's just luggage. So we're gonna take this upstairs and see what I have already set out. Okay, so we're upstairs. This is by no means a complete packing situation here, but these are the things that I have been collecting and setting aside that I know we won't need like right away, okay? So things like my cruise sweatshirt, because I get cold. So if you are like me and you get chilly, especially at dinner, at night, the days are very hot, but I get cold. I am gonna try these because, gosh, I want to pack a little bit more, especially with like working out and stuff, make sure I have enough clothes. So we're going to try that, and it has an electric pump in it. So I can take like the pump with us and use these both ways. We have Ava and Steve's pirate hats, which I put in mine because, again, I have the hard case where Steve just has like his soft case. I'm bringing a ton of diapers for Boston. This is probably double what we'll need, but just in case. We have a few of these. These are like the waterproof phone cases. I want and need to write our stateroom number now that we have those. On our luggage tags, I just bring pods for the laundry because this is my laundry bag. You just never know what's going to happen. I am bringing one of these just because Steve's parents are coming and we want everyone to have lanyards. Ava is doing a fun thing. The group meetup, they all bought these ears and they're just cheap ones off Amazon. They're by no means like park ears or anything, but they were $10. So they are wearing these and then they're meeting up after the sail away party. So we got those. We're going to try to do a little bit more in depth for pirate night. So I got like some fun sparkles, things like that. This is for my sick band because I do get sick. You know me, I don't really dress up, but I did splurge and get myself a pirate shirt. And then my sister bought Steve this pirate costume. So we've got that, our popcorn bucket. I do want to grab our park one as well. And then I have my light mask. I do use that, but it sits right by my bed. So I just pulled it up for your video. I got this new skirt we're going to try out. And then we got some new magnets. Since, you know, we have connecting rooms, we got the cute ones with the Mickey that like point to each other. So that's kind of like my right now packing list. I have a few things set aside for Boston. Not a ton, just because he goes through clothes like you just wouldn't believe. So I have like a few Disney specific clothes, some wipes, obviously like I'm milking these because we had to buy those on the Wish. They were not cheap. His pirate outfit, his swim, and this is like some travel lotions that I use. And then I do get the reusable swim diapers for him. So that's kind of where I'm at as far as packing goes right now. I know I am not the most efficient packer by any means, but I am starting to set things aside. But it's about 5 o'clock and my kids are starving, and then Steve's on his way home. He hasn't landed quite yet. He had to go to Arizona for his grandpa's funeral. It has been a week for us guys. So he's on his way home and he's gonna be hungry and tired, so I wanna get him taken care of. So I'm probably gonna close this out for today, but we'll pick you back up. All right guys, so this week has flown by for me. It is the day before our cruise. Oh my gosh, like it's so surreal to me. Like I'm so excited, but at the same time, I'm like, oh my gosh, I have so much to do. So you're just gonna run around with me. My packing is largely like at the same spot as when I left you guys. What day was that? Like Monday, and now it's Friday. So we're gonna get a lot done today, but bear with me. I've already done 2 loads of laundry today. I'm gonna go work out. We have some errands to do. I have to check Ava's packing. I have to check Boston's packing, check my packing. Gonna let Steve do his own thing, but get all my laundry done, everything ready to go. We're gonna test those little packing bags, see how those work, because I wanna pack a couple toys. And then obviously, because Boston's still in diapers, we have, you know, a lot more room up front, like packed. And then when we come home, a lot of that space will free up. So bear with me, here we go. All right guys, so it's me and Boss. Hi Boss. We are headed out to do a couple errands. Steve's on his way home. We just need to get like everything put together. I've been doing like nonstop laundry, just trying to get, gosh, everything. So this is gonna sound funny to everyone, but I am headed to the car wash, but it is like pouring rain. Anyway, it's more for the inside than outside because it's kind of gross, but that's okay. That's where we're headed. We're headed to do car wash. I need to stop at the library, and then I need to fill up and like make sure like the car has air and stuff like that. So that's what we're headed to do. All right, here we go.
Just his parents, not any of his siblings.
All right, we have made it to the library. There's voting going on, which I didn't realize, so I'm not gonna record in there just in case. I don't know like how security is or anything like that. I just don't want to violate anyone's like personal property, or not property, but anyway. So I'm not gonna record in there, but we're headed to the library. All right, so Boss and I, well, mostly me, just did our civic duty and voted. Unfortunately, like when I looked online, they had the book here that I wanted like the next to my series, but it looked like like there was 2 books there and there was like a divot between, so it looked like someone had just snatched it. So I won't be bringing a book on the cruise, but that's okay. Headed home, we have to pack. Finish laundry. I have like 2 more loads of laundry to do. Clean the house, like get dinner on. So bear with me. All right, guys. So these are like my non-essential needs piles, right? So we have pirate stuff, like all of our little, you know, sparkles. I have like shorts and swim stuff. These are my shirts, pants, and then I'm bringing both of my DCL jerseys just because they're both true to the treasure. And then I have my cruise line hoodie. I'm going to open these up in a second and then we'll look at those. And then I have my magnets and Ava's popcorn bucket. Okay, light mask. Cool, we're getting there, right? So I wanted to show you this real quick. I just ordered some travel stuff from the Healing Happy Method. It has just amazing skincare, guys. Just amazing. So I wanted you guys to look at this with me because I'm pretty excited about this. I usually bring stuff with me, but she just had posted about these cute travel packs. Oh my gosh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So, and then I ordered some more cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and oil. Awesome. I will tag them below, but I was pretty excited. Obviously, I have my bathroom's a little bit of a mess because I have stuff pulled out to get ready. So we are on our way. Okay, so if you follow us, Ava's packing video is up today. She has everything compact. I'm just gonna pull it apart real quick and just make sure she got everything that she absolutely needs. Just being a mom and double checking it. So we'll go from there. All right, overall, Ava did pretty good. There's a couple questionable shirts that I would like her to sub out. Like these are my picks for her, but these are her picks. Like one's Among Us and then one's her basketball shirt. So, I mean, staying on the Disney theme, that's what my picks would be, but overall she did pretty good. So we are moving on. Gosh, I've got a lot to do for Boston, but I'm still doing laundry. I'm still just like buttoning everything up. I am charging the little suction cup thing for my clothes and then possibly Boston's because gosh, you just never know with a toddler how many clothes they're gonna need. So, and then with diapers and wipes and lotions and all the fun things. So we'll go from there. Okay, so while I'm waiting for that pump to charge, I just wanted to show you this pack I got came with 3 different sizes. And these are like the sizes. So I don't know how, I've never used these before. So it'll be interesting. And then I've got my bag here, how I put these together. And I think I'm just gonna shrink wrap my clothes. I don't know, it looks like I'm fitting in Boston stuff pretty well, especially because I have diapers, I think I showed you earlier, in my bag. And then I have like things that I can't shrink wrap, like the pirate hats and things like that. So I want to space save as much as I can with, you know, what I can. And like clothes to me are something that, like these are not things I'm worried about wrinkling and things like that. So we're gonna test this out. Okay, so my pump is charged. I filled a bag and they came with these little clippies. So still one out of here. Sorry, that's incredibly noisy. And just, I think they're for sealing these. So let me pop that on. Yeah, so I think they're for sealing it on. I can't do it with the camera, but I just slid it across and it just kind of like seals it all together, right? So now I'm gonna flip it over and this is the biggest bag and honestly just held my pants pile and then my jerseys and hoodies. So it didn't hold as much as I was hoping that it did, but we'll see how much space it saves. So you can see right now, let's go grab the pump and then we'll see how much it shrinks down. Okay, here's where it gets tricky. So this has a little cap, right? And it says open and close. Cool, I could pull it off, but this is our pump here. And then you can't take this off, but it doesn't seem to do much. So I kind of feel like I should leave it on. So let's turn our pump on and see what happens. Nope. All right, we figured it out. It was a double click, but Look at how much it's like shrinking. Okay, we might be totally compressed. Okay, so now they're compressed, but honestly, I don't.
It's just like a rock.
It does feel like a rock. I don't know how much space this is gonna save me. I'll just be honest, I don't know. Let's throw it in here and just see, like, I mean, I don't know. I still have a couple other piles. I don't know if this is gonna save me a ton of space like I was really hoping it would. We'll see. Are we going on a boat?
A boat.
Who are we going with? We're going with, who are we going with? Broccoli? We're going with Nanny? We're going with Papa?
Papa.
Oh yeah, Papa.
Papa.
You excited to go with Papa? You want to go with Ava? You want to go? You want to go with Daddy? Just Papa? All right, guys, so this is where I am at. I have a little bit of space. I end up using 3 of the packing bags. This one's the small one, and then these 2 are the big ones. And I'm gonna try to squeeze stuff like around them. I was kind of playing with like different options earlier. I might try to stand this one up like this one, we'll see. But this is the stuff that I have left to squeeze in here and my bathroom bag. So we might not be able to fit it all, but we might too. We'll see. If I can stand these 2 up, the thing I was noticing about this bag is it doesn't have like any extender like my old bag did, which is kind of a bummer, because I didn't always use that, but here and there I did. So we'll see how it all like shakes together if I can squeeze it. But gosh, tomorrow's the day. Oh my gosh, like trying not to stress out. I don't know why this trip, I feel like because maybe it's a generational thing, like I'm just super excited about it and I want everything to be perfect. And so I don't know, like I'm just, I want it all to just go off without a hitch, but we'll see how it goes. I mean, I still have like our magic bands here, right? But I want to take this nightlight, you know, for Boston and Ava and just different things like that. So little tiny things that we just need to grab in the morning. But we'll, I don't know, I think we're there. I am gonna cut it off here. I really did try to get to Magic Kingdom to show you guys some of the holiday decorations that are up. It's just been super stormy. And everything, like with my dad dying and then Steve's grandpa just passed too. I don't know if we've mentioned that here. So lots and lots of grief going on around here. So I'm trying to be patient with myself, and I just appreciate all your guys' support and love, and I'll probably cut this off, but I'm so excited. And the next one, you'll see me on the treasure. I will try to post some stories. So if you follow me on Facebook, I don't know how much I will be doing. Facebook, Instagram are probably the 2. So if you follow me on those 2 platforms, then you'll see it. But if you're just following here on YouTube, you probably won't see it, or TikTok. So sorry guys, but I won't have internet a ton. But bye, we'll see you on the Disney Treasure.